Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious nut yogurt. We'll start by preparing our nuts, which is a crucial first step for a creamy texture and optimal digestion. You'll want to use about 1 cup of raw, unsalted nuts, like cashews or almonds. Soaking them in filtered water for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, helps soften them and makes them easier to blend into a smooth base. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic homemade yogurt. Once your nuts are perfectly soaked, it's time to blend them into a luxurious, creamy base. Drain and rinse the nuts, then combine them with about 1 cup of fresh, filtered water in a high-speed blender. Blend until there are absolutely no lumps, achieving a silky smooth consistency. Next, we'll introduce our friendly bacteria. Gently stir in the contents of 1 probiotic capsule or a 1/4 teaspoon of a dedicated yogurt starter culture. Make sure your mixture is at room temperature for the best fermentation. Now for the magic of fermentation. Carefully pour your cultured nut mixture into a clean, sterilized glass jar. It's important to use a clean container to prevent unwanted bacteria. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping out contaminants. Let your yogurt sit at room temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 hours. The longer it ferments, the tangier it will become. After fermentation, your homemade nut yogurt is almost ready. Transfer the jar to the refrigerator and chill it for at least 2 hours. This cooling period helps the yogurt thicken further and develop its final texture. Once chilled, you can customize your yogurt with your favorite flavors. Stir in a touch of maple syrup, fresh berries, vanilla extract, or a pinch of cinnamon. Store any leftover yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain its freshness and delicious taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.